Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video, I will show how to make rig for tail and antenna with After Effects. Let's get started. So friends, first of all, let's go to shape layers, hold this icon, select ellipse tool, and let's make one ellipse. And I will make like this. Clickation tool, go to stroke, let's click stroke here, select none, and go to fill, let's select color yellow. Click OK. And select this layer, let's select pan behind, and move the anchor point to left. Clickation tool, and let's press S, change scale a little bit, and move to here. Then let's change name 1. Then let's select the shape layer, Ctrl D for duplicate, and move to right. Let's press S, change scale 50, and let's move to left. Okay, again let's Ctrl D for duplicate and move to right. Press S, change scale 40. And move to left like this. Again, let's Ctrl D, press S, change scale 30, and let's move to right. Okay, and select again shape layer 4, Ctrl D, move to right, press S, change scale 20, and move to back here. Okay, and finally let's Ctrl D, press S, change scale 10, and move to right. Okay, very nice. So in this time, let's create new null object for Ctrl D shape layers. Let's right mouse, new and null object. And let's hold Ctrl, double click on behind icon for move the anchor point center. Clickation tool, and let's move to here. So let's select this layer 6, let's link to layer 5, select layer 5, link to 4, select 4, link to 3, select layer 3, link to layer 2, and select layer 2, link to layer 1, and finally select layer 1, let's link to null object. Select null, press R, let's see. Okay, and in this time select this null, press R, and select other layers, press R for open rotation, and let's make expression for link. Let's hold Alt, click this rotation icon, and let's link to rotation here. For done expression, click this empty area and close rotation, and make someone for this layer. Hold Alt, click this time icon, and link to rotation null. Again close, again hold Alt, click this time duration. Let's link expression to null object rotation. Click here, close rotation. Again hold Alt, click this time duration, and link. Again make someone. And finally again someone. Hold Alt, click this time icon, and link expression to null object rotation. And select this null, let's press R. Okay, very nice. So select null object, let's change rotation 0, and we can make animation with this null object. Let's press R again, make rotation keyframe, and go to here, let's change rotation like this, and let's move to center this null. Let's move to here. Okay, let's change like this, go to here, change back, and here. Okay, select keyframes, let's make easy or click F9. Let's see. Nice. And select null object, press S, change scale, Okay, very nice. Let's select these all layers, right mouse, precoms, add name 1, click OK, and let's see. Nice. Select these composition, Ctrl D, and move it down. Okay, let's move to right a little bit and press B here for select work area. Okay, nice. And press N, let's select work area. And move to here. Press R, chain rotation. And let's go to shape layers. Hold this icon, select ellipse tool. Let's make heat. Clisation tool and change color like this. And move to behind. Okay, very nice. Right now we can make character animation for bee and other animals. So thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video, and please follow me on Instagram. Good luck.